Wola, Shapferi Uzit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SA Diski. And on this one today, we got you Mokoena news. We all know Ellis Mokoena was a player or still a player that is doing his trades in the Arabian team, which is known as Esperance. Mokoena said to leave Esperance could Kaizer Chiefs pounds Ellis Mokoena. And Bafana Ellis winger Mokwena's experience exit could revive Kaizer Chiefs transfer hopes. Bafana winger Ellis Mokoena could be on his way out of the experience and development that may reignite Amakosi's long-standing interest in the attacker. The 26-year-old spent last season on loan at Saudi Pro League side Al Hazam, where he made 24 appearances after scoring one goal and providing one assist. Although Mokoena remains under contract with the Tunisian Giants, growing interest from clubs in Saudi Arabia could see him leave Esperance permanently, according to Everything SA Diski. Look, we can't really say much at the moment because there are people working on the player's future and they will be updating us on the way forward soon, a source told the publication. Having that, I believe he is not staying at the club based on what I have seen and heard. But once again, nothing has been confirmed. Things can still change. Mokoena was previously linked with Kaizer Chiefs with a move to Kaizer Chiefs shortly after completing his first season at Esperance. However, no transfer materialized. After missing out on Bafana's FIFA World Cup squad, the pacey winger is likely to prioritize regular first team football in a bid to force his way back into the national team. A return to Saudi Arabia appears to be the most likely option given his recent spell with Al Azam. His performances in the league have increased his visibility, while the financial rewards available in the Middle East could also prove difficult to ignore. However, a move back to the Betway Premiership cannot be ruled out for Kaizer Chiefs. Mokoena could be an ideal addition to Fernando de Cruz squad, particularly if Godly Lilepo departs as expected. His pace, directness, and ability to operate on either winger would provide Amakosi with a attacking option as they look to strength ahead of the new season. Whether Kaizer Chiefs decide to pursue the Bafana International remains to be seen, but indications that Mokoena is available likely to attract attention from Naturena. Please let me know what you think about this news from your boy Isaac. Why so nice? Darwin Chumba. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. How am I?
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Billy. Oh, that's goal bound. That is